What is frankincense essential oil good for in a diffuser? In this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 benefits of diffusing frankincense essential oil. Coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the oil coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Let's jump right into today's video. So our first reason to diffuse frankincense is for helping with congestion. A blend you can use for this is the blend called Breathe Easy. For this, you diffuse 5 drops of frankincense, 4 drops of eucalyptus, and 2 drops of peppermint in your diffuser. Now be sure to stick around until the end of this video because I'm also going to be sharing a recipe for a Sinus Steam Cup that includes frankincense. I personally use this steam cup when I'm dealing with congestion and sinus issues, and it works incredibly well for me. Our second reason to diffuse frankincense is to support our immune system. One of frankincense's top properties is immunostimulant. So what is an immunostimulant? Well, it is a substance that stimulates the immune system by inducing activation or increasing activity of any of its components. So simply put, frankincense helps to support our immune system in doing what it's supposed to do. So for this reason, it would be incredible to diffuse the frankincense, and you can also apply it to the bottom of your feet or take it in a capsule for this benefit as well. Now I have 3 more great reasons to diffuse frankincense to share with you, but it's very important to point out that the quality of the essential oil that you're using is very important. We are obviously going to be breathing in the frankincense essential oil into our lungs, or even ingesting it or putting it on our skin depending on what we're using it for. So we want to make sure that we're using only the purest, best quality essential oil that we have available to us. I really encourage you to research the purity of oils, and if you'd like to check out the oils that I personally use, or if you'd like to check out my masterclass where I touch on the purity of oils as well as the top 10 recommended oils, then check out the link in the description below. Okay, our third reason for diffusing frankincense is for uplifting our mood. Frankincense is a natural antidepressant, so it's great to diffuse when we're feeling down and out or when we're just dealing with daily stressors. A great blend for this would be a blend called Focused Refreshment. For this, you'll be dropping 4 drops of frankincense, 3 drops of peppermint, and 2 drops of lime essential oils in your diffuser. Our fourth reason, you might already be guessing after that last diffuser blend I just mentioned, frankincense is also incredible for helping with focus. So when you're struggling to concentrate, it would be an ideal time to diffuse your frankincense essential oil. Our fifth and final reason for diffusing frankincense, which is by all means not the only reason for diffusing frankincense. There are so many incredible benefits of frankincense, but the last one we're sharing for this video is for seasonal allergies. A great blend for this is a blend called Spring Relief. For this, you'll be using 3 drops of lavender, 3 drops of lemon, 2 drops of frankincense, and 2 drops of peppermint essential oils in your diffuser. Now I've linked up all of these oils and blends below this video, so if you'd like to check them out some more, feel free to do so. And like I mentioned, I also have a great recipe for a Sinus Steam Cup to share with you. But if you are someone that likes to show off your love for essential oils, then check out the link below to my Etsy shop where I have an ever-growing selection of oily t-shirts and hoodies and other items that you can get for yourself or as a gift for your oily friends. Now on to our Sinus Steam Cup. I've used this several times now with incredible results. What you'll need is tea tree, lemon, peppermint, oregano, and frankincense essential oils. You're going to be adding 2 drops of each of these oils to a steaming cup of water. Not a boiling cup, just a steaming cup of water. Then you're going to be inhaling it slowly, making sure to avoid getting the steam in your eyes. Now, if you would like a free ebook of some incredible recipes for coughs, colds, congestion, and more, some of which also have frankincense in them, then check out the link in the description below. Now, click or tap the screen here to check out my video all about some incredible diffuser blends for congestion, or click or tap the screen here to check out another one of my videos, and I'll see you in the next video.